People use a range of natural remedies to try to treat a persistent cough. Here, we look at 3 of these remedies in more detail. Number 1. Honey tea. To use honey to treat a cough, mix 2 teaspoons (TSP) with warm water or an herbal tea. Drink this mixture once or twice a day. Do not give honey to children under 1 year. Trusted source of age. Number 2. Ginger. Brew up a soothing ginger tea by adding 20 to 40 grams (g) of fresh ginger slices to a cup of hot water. Allow to steep for a few minutes before drinking. Add honey or lemon juice to improve the taste and further soothe a cough. Number 3. Thyme. To treat coughs using thyme, look for a cough syrup that contains this herb. Alternatively, make a thyme tea by adding 2 teaspoons of dried thyme to a cup of hot water. Steep for 10 minutes before straining and drinking.